Greetings and welcome to Tech Shift. Here, we delve into the most current technology trends and tools, focusing on how they can elevate your business, boost sales, and enhance overall performance. In this video, I'll discuss the topic of project management and delve into its significance for businesses of all sizes, whether they're small-scale enterprises or large corporations. Additionally, I'll explore the technology tools that contribute to simplifying the process of project management. What is project management, and how can it help your business? Project management finds its roots in ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, who meticulously coordinated labor and resources for monumental constructions. The Industrial Revolution brought larger projects and systematic approaches. In the 20th century, concepts of scientific management and the demands of World War II highlighted the need for organized project handling. In the 1950s, techniques like PERT and CPM emerged, focusing on critical tasks and dependencies. The Project Management Institute, PMI, established in the 1960s, formalized practices through the PMBOK Guide. The digital age of the 1980s facilitated better planning and communication, while agile methodologies, from the 1990s onward, emphasized adaptability and collaboration. Today, project management blends traditional principles with modern methodologies to tackle diverse projects in our global, technology-driven landscape. Simply, project management is the organized way of planning, executing, and controlling tasks to achieve specific goals within a set time frame and resources. Now, do you know why you need project management in your business? Project management provides structure, accountability, and a strategic approach to achieving business goals. It minimizes risks, maximizes resources, and enhances the likelihood of successful project outcomes. The upcoming video will delve into various technological tools employed in project management. We'll assess their user-friendliness and discuss both paid and free software options that you can readily implement within your business. Make sure to subscribe to TechShift now to stay updated on business technology content. Don't miss our upcoming video.